Oh shit. Get your mucklucks on.
Yeah, I'm just gonna poke around there a bit. Dirty doing it.
Yeah, she's not fucking. I mean, it's not to the top, but it's not draining.
Yeah. Well, I got a bendy piece of wood here. I'm gonna try just gonna.
That's sinking. You almost need like a
Fish something through there.
half-inch dowel that's 6 or 10 feet long.
Yeah, it worked well. You got any heavy-duty cabling still, like hot tub cable burial stuff? That'd be great. If you could. I got some stuff that's like 3/8 inch. I'm sure if I wound some together, we could make a freaking drive or two. Either that, or we dig a trench out and actually just run a straight pipe right through the thing too.
Come on, start training, you slut.
I'm all the way in there.
Maybe if you in and out really fast.
No, I mean there's nothing in the way.
Well, that's handy.
So I am in about that far, and it's clear. We need something longer for sure.
Holy f. Oh, that's just a piece of conduit. Here, we'll use this. Look at this.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Just in case you're wondering, if you're doing asphalt, you always want to make the drain the high spot. It's probably like $60 worth of scrap wire gone under the ground. Eh? Have to play tractor big time. Son of a bitch. Oh, look at that. The pipe shoved up the tape.
Yeah, a little bit.
No, 6 feet.
Yeah, that might make a difference.
Yeah.
We did make some progress, so I think.
Yeah. We need more tape. Here, step on that.
Shall I try right? Let's step on it. I'm stuck.
In inwood. Here, step on that and I'll try to pull the pipe out of the tape there. Oh yeah. Good thing that even come out. Good thing that even come out, probably. Oh, I can like really hear it, but I'm not seeing any water. Oh, here it comes. Oh yeah, mudslide, bud. Mudslide. Yeah, she's flowing now.
Good.
Oh, f yeah, dude. Oh, it's like you flushed the toilet. Oh yeah, buds. That's great. Yeah. That's wonder words. Oh yeah. Oh, we did it. It was looking grim there for a second. Used a whole roll of electrical tape, the good kind too. $1.99. And $1.99. Should be scissors out here, I think. Cisners. It's not?
Did she stop raining again?
Pardon me?
Did she stop raining again?
Yeah.
Means it's collapsing completely inside there somewhere.
Yeah, like I was
clay,
able to.
That clay's gone right through the tile now.
Yeah, I was able to get her in about there, and then I couldn't get it to go in any further. And I looked, and no water was coming out.
Yeah, so she's caved in somewhere along the way there. We pushed through it, but it's just going to probably keep on slushing in.
More boats here.
Okay, scissors.
Yeah.
Nice.
Holy specials.
Awesome.
So the other thing I was going to try to do is get this metal in the shop. Got to like pull it in and then sort of try to like, yeah. It's because it's right in the road, and I want to, I don't want to do this concrete and shit, and don't want to have that shit in the way. Oh, we did it! Holy shit. Oh, yeah. Hey, might as well put her right in the back. Right out of the fucking way. Yeah, drag her over there or something.
Give her a little. No rush for it, but if you can get to it sometime this week, that'd be awesome.
Careful.
Yeah, we're trying. I already dropped it on the hood of the tractor. Oh yeah, I was really pleased. Had to pop the dent out, open the hood and pop the dent out of it. Well, at least it's a metal hood, not a fiberglass one. Thankfully. At least it's fixable. Mm-hmm.
Look at the dogs was up on the bench barking at us. Freaking out because they can like see us now.
Inwood from a high. Oh, the chickens. Oh, my roof, my new one.
Look down, Charlie.
Holy. That's a little bit precarious.
Did you die from jumping up here?
Yes. And if you didn't, you'd wish you did. That's for sure. Okay, I gotta get down. Scared. You scared?
No.
You're not you. I guess you are.
No, it's not. Living in a hot air balloon. That's fun. It's up the fast one.
Friggin' Cisner lift works awesome. Barely anything to complain about. Tires are decked and makes a beeping noise terrible. Yeah.
Goes up high.
Yeah, it goes up too high real bad. One sec.
Well, they got it parked in the back spot.
Catch the stink bug.
Holy. Kind of short. How heavy duty is this? You drive on that? Load class A, what's that mean? Means she's heavy duty?
Sure, you could drive on it off if you're thinking.
Must be. Tippy! So they're going to be down there with the radar. I need you to carry that for me.
Oh, push the cart.
You got to carry this for me. Tippy. Tippy, you got to. Maybe we can just send that thing right up the tailgate. You got a bigger forklift?
No.
Oh no. No, it doesn't come off, no. I mean, I'm sure it will, but nuts and bolts and pins and crap.
Just gonna have to.
Oh, I hope not. You just put it right at the end if you don't mind. Right at the end? That'd be great.
Perfect. Right there is good.
Oh, he's got like the telescopic nozzles too. You could have totally set that whole thing right on there. You're cutting into my pig arm time. 1:45. Gonna be by the time I get this strap down. You just shoot over there quick. You just lay on the top and hold it down. Well, that went pretty quick so far. What the is that? Literally a piece of cheese. So yeah, that went fairly lickety split so far. Of course, I got to cut every friggin' asshole along the top there. It's like an inch, so I might just cram it in there, but you know, really it's best to have it fit proper. And yeah, I don't know, I think I might have got way too much. I tried to use my calculations into my pliants. I'm pretty sure I got too much. Pretty sure. Maybe not though. I mean, we're still gotta, you know, do the back wall and this and that. I gotta get a car right now. Guy's supposed to come and buy parts off the one on the trailer. Got undercoatings like a this afternoon. But anyways, I'll get this friggin' car off of here. Oh, peeking over the fence a little bit. Oh, not too bad.